Hello everybody and welcome to the world of Wega. I'm Stefano of Wega Customer Service. Today I will show you the procedures and some really useful tips for your My Concept. As you know, you can set up to 6 doses on the machine: ristretto, espresso, regular, double ristretto, double espresso and double regular. Now we will see how to program them. We go on the right side of the display on menu, bartender menu and program doses. Select the dose to program and we start with start key. As you reach the perfect quantity, simply select the stop key. If you want to test the strength, use the control head dose and check if everything is exactly as you want. You can also track the same program on the other groups, just using the key copy to all groups. If you have changed your mind and you want to change the dose set, no problem. To avoid the waste of the coffee at the time of testing, we invented the adjustment control in detail. It allows you to improve programming dose just using the keys to increase and decrease milliliters. Want to drink a good cup of tea? Well, the procedure is the same.